everybody, this is Gotcha Pest Control. We are at, today's date is I think as a matter of fact it's Good Friday. I don't know what date, it's April the 6th. We're up here rocking and rolling, we're going to see what's going on. They're not happy. Alright, they are fiercely mad today. People have been haunted by these bees for a very long time. Let's see what's going on in here. There's a mob in it. There's a mob in the camera. I don't know if I can get footage here. Here. Do you know how to work this? Okay. This little thing right here makes the picture go in and out. This little black button right here. That's all you got to do.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, I'm just trying to see if
There we go.
Oh, you have to stay inside. What's that?
Here, call this another problem. I'm gonna have to turn it off because it's killing my beat suit. Let's get that. Let's get our little bunny.
Alright.
Yeah. Let's see what's going down. Bad boy right here. They're not very happy today. Man. Come on, Eric. He's in the back seat. He's in the back seat.
I can't hear you.
He's in the back seat.
I know, I can't open your door.
It's all right, just open it up. Wait 1 second, everybody. I'm going to take the board off, the gutter off. The board had pheromones all over it. This used to be a nice, happy day. This is not Good Friday. We're going to do an Easter special for you guys. It's going to be called The Easter Bunny Gets Attacked by Killer Bees. I Got You Pest Control. Really, this is based on animal situations that are true to every day that y'all do not see. I'm going to show y'all how these killer bees attack animals, and we're going to use a stuffed animal. Let me repeat, a stuffed animal that we purchased. Got it?
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right. You're on your game.
Here's the whole Easter.
Okay, here you go. Hold this, and we're going to have a conversation with the bunny. They don't like you for that. They dig into the fur. The Easter bunny allows me to do my job.
I'm getting it. Yes, sir.
How's that look?
Horrible.
This allows me to do my job. Poor Mr. Easter Bunny getting his butt kicked. Happy Easter, everybody. Gotcha Pest Control does this on pest animal situations to show how the killer bees are going actually inside of this house. This person is sleeping over the killer bees. This is a very, very, very dangerous, dangerous situation. Do not try this at the house. Everybody will die. Completely die, 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 die. But this Easter bunny is actually taking most of the blows. We should have new combs in here because this is a new hive. This hive came from across the street all the way over to here because of issues. Good. Electricity, plug it in. How are you doing on your sound, sir?
It sounds great.
Good.
It's great. See those honeycombs. Woo-wee!
Get a good visual on that, please. I'm going to be able to do this without taking any brick out. Thank you, Jesus Christ. I need to go down more. Picture of that little Easter bunny.
Oh.
Look at his four feathers. Got him?
Oh wow. Let me zoom in on that.
His ears.
Wow.
We're trying to get in his ears and kill him.
Wow.
Alright, I'm going to take a, why don't you give me a trash can and a spatula and take it off the board for a minute, okay? Hello everybody, got your Pest Control. This is the situation. This is going to be supposed to be a wonderful job today, Good Friday, but obviously it's not. Mr. Easter Bunny is taking a beating here today. Got your Pest Control. We don't know what to do. It's just bad. It's really bad. He's just getting a beating here. These bees are inside of here. Let me see if I can get you a better visual on that. There we go. Right there. Those are all honeycombs. They go back in about 3 feet, but we're going to get them out. Everything's going to be happy. We're going to assess the situation right here. This is what we have to do. We're going to take off that long board right there to get inside there. This is the double topper. Alright, 1 second. Okay, I think I can get this in one good haul. It's gonna work. Okay, that's all I need. You just keep doing what you're doing, so we can tell the world what's going on.
All right. Show them what's up so nobody gets hurt.
That's right.
Take care of the problem sooner than later.
That's all right.
Wow, look at all that. I bet it goes deep in there.
It does. What I'm going to need to do is actually go ahead and shut the camera off. I'm going to start vacuuming the bees. Okay everybody, we're back here, and what we're doing is using the vacuum cleaner to get inside of here and take care of these issues. There's the honeycombs that are impacted inside this wall above this lady's bed. So now you see the degree of difficulty in taking these things out. I'm going to suck the rest of these bees out, and we're going to continue the process that we're doing in order to assess the situation. Go ahead and record it. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
The only honey we got out of it. Okay, look at that. That's the one good fat piece of honey right there. We're going to give it to the customer.
Okay.
Go ahead and unrecord it and go down there and we'll get that Tupperware and we're going to put it. Hello everybody, Gotcha Pest Control. This is the situation. These are the bees that we were able to save. Look at this. This is a lot of bees inside there. Worked out really good. We're going to take this to a safer environment, and they're going to live a complete life, and they're not going to be harming people and causing issues. We really thank you very much for using Gotcha Pest Control. We understand that's a little bit more work than normal, but this is what takes place when you're doing a job like this. This is what to expect. So we all have the same understanding on what's going to take place on the next one, because this is the procedure that it takes, that it works. You just can't kill the bees in a minute, because if you do, they're going to rot and they're going to smell like cat piss. And then all the honey that we just picked up, which is right down there on the ground, all that nasty stuff right there, we're going to get rid of that in a big field, and they're going to take that and they're going to disassemble it, and all the bees are going to use that, and that's how it's going to work. So everything gets recycled, and right at that point, what we do is we come in here, we take a video of the area that we cleaned out. So we all have the same understanding that this is what it's supposed to look like when there's no bees in here. And we hope we've done a wonderful job for you here at Gotcha Pest Control, and you'll have a wonderful Easter. And take care. And remember, if I don't have you, who's got you? Thank you very much, and thank you for Mr. Rabbit. He was very helpful in his help to show everybody how animals get stung, and in any situation, Gotcha Pest Control does not use a live animal whatsoever, just for the record. And other than that, take care. Ciao, ciao. Signing off, Claude Griffin, Gotcha Pest Control.